It's like opening a present that you bought for yourself. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Teyana Taylor and MAC Cosmetics collection. I have my box right here with the stuff that I've ordered, and we're going to dive right in. I'm going to do swatches. You guys can see them up close and personal, the swatches of almost everything in the collection, and I'm going to be testing out some of these products. So let's dive right in and see what we have here. So if you guys don't know who Teyana Taylor is, she's an American singer, songwriter, dancer, model. She does R&B kind of soul music. It says here on the MAC website that Teyana Taylor's old school favorites get a brand new neon beat. Put your personal spin on our 4 shades, each of limited edition lipstick, lip gloss, and lip pencil, made to remix and match for a full lineup of tailor-made looks. Or get into the real star of the show, an exclusive, never-before-seen mineralized skin finish, all wrapped in 90s neon packaging. So let's open this baby up. So as it said in the description there, the theme for packaging wise is kind of old school 90s neon. So we have orange, pink, green, and yellow packaging. Very cute, very neon. And then there's a skin finish, which is a highlight. MAC has quite a few skin finishes, but this is supposed to be a never before seen shade. We're going to dive right in. Let's start with the skin finish. This is $41 Canadian and $37 US. Their skin finish are a little bit more of their pricier items. It's a pretty, you know, higher priced highlight, but you do get quite a bit of product. Ooh, look at the cute packaging. As I said, very neon. And then as you can see here, hopefully, you're probably not going to be able to see very well, but it is a clear plastic to look in and see the shade, and then it says MAC Teyana Taylor in a very cute font in silver. This is the skin finish. From the pan, it looks very gold, but doesn't look too yellow, which is nice. Let's see the swatch of this here. Oh yeah, that's pretty. It looks like a beautiful gold highlight. It's pretty gold, and I mean, Teyana Taylor is African American. Like, very gold highlights are going to be especially beautiful on darker skin tone. Not saying that this wouldn't be good for lighter skin tone, but I do have to say, looking from the swatch, it does look pretty gold. But if you looked at my Selena Lorena collection review, her the highlight, the skin finish in that collection seemed very gold as well, and once I applied it, it looked stunning on the skin. So this hopefully will be the same thing. Let's go ahead and apply this. I'm going to use a Morphe M509. Little bit dark for me. I mean, I still would definitely rock this. It's a beautiful, as I said, gold highlight. And you could do like a really light dusting, like I'm building it here. If you went really light with it, it would probably look a little bit less pigmented and just a little bit more natural, but I really want to see like what it can do. So I am really building it. And as I said, it's a little bit gold for me, but for darker skin tones, this would be incredible. Still nice for lighter skin tones, but if you don't like really gold, it might not be for you. So that's what that looks like. Really pretty though, eh? I think so. I would wear it. Maybe not like my perfect shade, but this would be good for like a summer bronzy look. It definitely would go with that. So I think that's nice. Let's just add a bit here. I like to highlight my shoulders. Yeah, I actually really like that. Beautiful. Stunning. The rest is lip products. So let's start with the lip liners. I got 2 out of the 4. I did get the Chestnut, which is like a darker brown. I really like the MAC lip liners because they are usually pretty like pointed, which is, and like firm enough that you can keep that point, and like they sharpen. They're a wooden pencil. I hate when there's plastic lip pencils and you have to sharpen them. I hate that. So I like that these are wooden. This is that chestnut, like a dark brown, and I'm going to show you these swatches up close near the end of the video. But this is that chestnut. It's like a very dark brown. That's a little bit dark for me, but it would definitely be good for like a darker lip or for like an ombre look. And this would especially be good, I think, for darker skin tone. I love the packaging. Again, neon, beautiful font, beautiful color selection. I got, yeah, the chestnut, and I got the Hodgepodge. So this is like a more nude brown, like a light nude brown. A little bit darker, I guess, than nude. It's like a middle, kind of a medium brown. That's that one. Definitely lighter than the chestnut. But it has a little bit more like nude, kind of warmer undertones, which is actually, I think, a little bit more my kind of, like my cup of tea. But they're both, like you could use them both really pretty. And again, beautiful packaging. I did not get the other two. So something that I've noticed on the website is that all of the lip liners are not new shades. They're, I think, just selected by Teyana Taylor and MAC into the collection as complement, like they complement the other shades like lipstick and that. They go with the kind of the theme, but these all were available before, and they all are also available in the original packaging. So I did not have these two that I just showed you, but I did have Nightmoth, so I did not purchase it because, as I said, I have it. So I'm just going to swatch the one that I had. So it's in the original packaging. It's this really like vampy, kind of plummy burgundy purple, really pretty. I do really like that one. So those are the lip liners that I got. The other one is Cyber World, again, darker purple, but not quite as dark as the Nightmoth. So different varieties of like browns and purples. Those are lip liner options. Moving on to the lipsticks. I did get all of the lipsticks. So for lipsticks, we have, starting with the shade Junie Bee. This is the packaging of the lipsticks. So it's kind of like see-through neon packaging, again with that same font. And I believe that this is a frost. Yeah, it's a frosted lipstick. It's like a nice kind of pearlescent finish to it. So that is that Junie Bee. And again, I'm gonna show these up close. It's beautiful, beautiful, like bright, kind of more vibrant purple, and it has almost like a darker, it has like a purpley bluish pearlescent like hue to it. Then we have the shade A Rose in Harlem. This is the pink packaging, really cute. And again, as I said, they did a really good job for having a see-through packaging. This one is a nice matte red. Yeah, oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Very, very rich and pigmented, and it's just, I really like that. And as I said, that one's matte, and I like matte. I like matte lipsticks. I like all kind of finishes. I'm like not super picky, but I do like a matte lipstick. I think it lasts a little bit longer. So yeah, this one is called I Got a Man. That's that green. And this one is a nude. That's a beautiful nude. It almost is like mauvey. So the way that they describe it is dark cocoa brownie nude. Interesting description there. But yeah, I really like that. That's like a darker, more like mauvey brown nude. I like it. So really pretty. And the last one's called Good Moaninnnn, I think, but with like 4 N's on the end. Good Moaninnnn. It's supposed to be sexual, I don't know. This one's a lighter nude. Ooh, that's my jam there. It says rosy pink, and it definitely is very pink, but it has like it's very like nudie pink, like nude, neutral pink. Love that. Yeah, I really like that one. I think that's my favorite so far. I like these two here. I mean, I would like them. I like everything, to be honest, but I'm definitely for an everyday, that nude is super stunning. And I think that might be what I'd go with today. I don't know. I don't think purple would go with this eye look. Red would be okay, but I kind of want to go with the nude today. I don't know. So those were the lipsticks. Again, stunning shade selection. And then now we have the glosses. So Same packaging. This one is 10s across the board is what this lip gloss is called. This is their lip gloss. A little bit of shimmer to it, but it looks like it's gonna match that red really nicely. That's that 10s across the board. 10s across the board. And that's a beautiful red gloss. I like that. Very pigmented. Very pigmented. Then we have But Ain't Got No Manners, and this one looks like it's gonna match that darker nude brown lipstick. That's that, what's it called? But Ain't Got No Manners. Really pretty. I really like that one actually. That would be one I would use a lot, I think. This one's called Save You Tears, Honey. And it is, ooh, a purple gloss. It's funny because I obviously looked at this when I bought it, but you kind of forget. And it's different in person, I feel. Like it's like opening a present that you bought for yourself. Light lavender with pearl. Yeah, I'd say that that's a good description. It's definitely a more lavender. It's a lighter tone than the lipstick, but that would be nice like in the center, kind of like ombre it up, like lighten the center of the lip with this gloss. And again, it has a beautiful kind of, I'd say a little bit more vibrant kind of purple pearlescent to it. So that's that purple gloss called Save You Tears, Honey. Really pretty. And the last gloss and the last part of the collection that I got was the gloss called Gonna Love Me. And this one I'm excited about. This one is like a nude gloss that would match that lipstick I was talking about loving. Well, that I think I'm gonna love. Oh, beautiful. And again, it might be hard to see, but this one right here, it's a little bit more, it's a lighter gloss, but I think that's gonna be really nice, especially matched with this. I'm going to try out a lip now. I think I'm gonna go with nude just because it's realistic for what I would wear on an everyday, but also I think it will match my look today. But I'm definitely pumped to try out these purples and the red. I think the reds are gonna be really beautiful. I mean, all of it, let's be real. It all is stunning. Okay. We'll use the lighter lip liner, so Hodgepodge, on the outer lips, kind of blend it in a bit. I'm gonna put this light kind of nude lipstick called Good Moaninnnn in on the lip as well, kind of ombre it as I said, and then we're gonna apply this gloss here called Gonna Love Me, that lighter nude gloss, all over. So let's just go ahead and do it. I really like that lipstick. You know what this reminds me of? Actually, it reminds me of the lipstick. It's a cream sheen lipstick by MAC in the Selena collection. It's called Selena Vibe. It's one of my favorite lipsticks right now. It's a very similar shade, but it's matte because that one's a cream sheen. And I actually like that I now have a matte option for that. Beautiful, beautiful lipstick. I love MAC lipsticks in general. Like, I know these formulas aren't new. We already knew. I mean, maybe you guys don't. If you haven't used MAC, you know, products very often, their lipsticks are incredible. Some of my favorite lipsticks. But their shade range is also incredible. And I love that their, you know, their launches and collabs that they do, they always have good color selection. And this collection is not excluded from that. So I'm gonna go ahead with the gloss Gonna Love Me. I went outside my lip line, which I actually typically do, and the shades just look so beautiful together. It looks really natural. Like I feel like my lips just look naturally bigger right now, and that gloss just took this look to the next level. I think it actually matched my eye look really perfectly, which, by the way, if you're wondering what's in my eyes, I got my BoxyCharm box the other day and I tried the Pure Festival palette. Stunning, really pigmented, blendable, loved the shades, really nice. But yeah, so back to the lips. Love it. I think it matches my look today. I really like it. And actually this little trio here, oh my goodness, I just realized they're all orange, so clearly they're meant to go together. Oops. Like definitely meant to go together if they're all orange. I didn't even like, I mean, I knew they were meant to go together because they all were like that kind of brownish nude, but like I didn't even realize they were all orange, so go me. Anyways, that is the collection. I'm really happy with it. I think it's a beautiful color scheme. I think the packaging is very cute. And I do kind of like that the colors like kind of go together. So you could buy like the orange lip liner, the orange lipstick, the orange gloss, and it's going to kind of go. So I do really like that. I really think that the color selection is really beautiful. You are able to create some, you know, variety. You have your bright and fun purples, your deep and rich and vampy kind of reds, and that Nightmoth is really vampy too. And then you have your more natural nudes, browns. And I think there'd be something in this collection that everybody would like. The skin finish is nice, but to be honest with you guys, I think that this one is like not as exciting as the rest of it. I think all of the lip stuff is something to invest in. If you're looking for a highlight and you like MAC Cosmetics, these are incredible. They last long, they're beautiful, but is it my favorite highlight? No. But is there anything wrong with it? No. So that's kind of, I'm like kind of like, yeah, this is good. But I'm not like super pumped about that, especially being $40. Like I like drugstore highlights better. But if you like MAC and you need all things MAC, there's nothing wrong with this. But yeah, lips, everything lips, I'm happy with formula through and through, consistent with previous MAC formulas. I like the finishes. I actually really like that there's a lot of matte lipstick here. I haven't, you know, a lot of the newer collections they've had, the Selena and the bronzing collection, I have videos on both of those launches. They will be linked below. I also did a video on the new Shot of Color oils and the new plumping lip glosses, which, by the way, there's a giveaway going on right now, so go check it out. Down below will be on how to enter, so don't miss that because it's actually going to be ending soon, so you don't want to miss out on that. But yes, long story short, I feel like out of all of the new launches MAC has had, there hasn't been a whole ton of matte lip products, and so these three mattes are just calling my name right now. They look incredible, and I'm happy about that. I'm happy with the results of this collection. It's my final review. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and if you want to take a look at the swatches, stay tuned. Okay guys, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below, hit that red button, and while you're at it, you might as well ring the bell to make sure you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And like the video if you enjoyed, and have a wonderful day guys. See you next time.